Good afternoon to all. We are delegated of you an opportunity of visit the Hiplex International Expo, One India Premier Plastic and Exhibitions. This is a great chance witness that latest technologies, innovations, automations and industry trends that is shaping in the future. Respected Honorable Minister Sridhar Babu Garu and Arvind Mehta and Raju Desai and TAAPMA Narendra Baldava, designated Anil Reddy and B.L. Bandari sir. Thank you very much for joining us. It is my great honor and pleasure to welcome you all inauguration Hiplex 26. On behalf of organizing the committee, TAAPMA, sincerely thank you each one of you joining us today. Your presence makes this event more meaningful and successful. Hiplex is more than the exhibition. It is a place of where we people meet, share ideas, learn about new technology and create new businesses opportunities. During the next 4 days, you will see the latest machinery, raw material products and innovations from the plastic industry. The exhibition brings together manufacturers, suppliers, dealers, entrepreneurs and business leaders from different parts of India. I also, Sridhar Babu Garu, encouraging the industrial growth and supporting the industries like Hiplex. I also thank you all sponsors, exhibitors, supporting organizations, media partners and every member of the organization committee. Your hard work, dedication and trademark of have made Hiplex 2026 is possible. I request all visitors to explore there, every stall, interact with the exhibitors, attend the technical sessions, and make the best of use wonderful opportunity. Friends, the plastic industry plays important role on our daily lives and growth of our economy at the same time, and must work together. Responsible manufacturing, recycling, sustainability and innovations and build a better future. I am confident Hiplex 26 will create new businesses opportunities, strengthen partnerships and contribute the growth of our industry. I once again warmly welcome you all and wish you every exhibitor, visitor and delegate successful and memorable Hiplex 26. I especially thanks to all the media. Thank you very much for coming to here. Thank you.